your dreams, the stars will bend. Whispers float through skies so deep, guiding you to peaceful sleep. Hush, my love, drift away in the moon's gentle sway. Calm and safe, you'll softly grow in a world where dreams do flow. Clouds of velvet, skies of blue, carry dreams that comfort you. Each new thought begins to bloom in the quiet of your room. Hush, my love, drift away in the moon's gentle sway. Calm and safe, you'll softly grow in a world where dreams do flow. Clouds of velvet, skies of blue, carry dreams that comfort you. Each new thought begins to bloom in the quiet of your room. Hush, my love, drift away in the moon's gentle sway. Calm and safe, you'll softly grow in a world where dreams do flow. Soft winds sing a lullaby, wrapping you where angels lie. Sleep will bring the strength you need as you blossom thought and deep. Hush, my love, drift away in the moon's gentle sway. Calm and safe, you'll softly grow in a world where dreams do flow. Rest, sweet child, in night's embrace. Dreams will fill each sacred space. When you wake, you'll shine